Cho tôi đi xin đây nè. Call. Tôi đi.
We are going to have our lunch.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are on the way to Agra. In between we are having a lunch now. This lunch was prepared by our friends, and here we are joined with a beautiful sister today. Khẩu đi ơi. This is our team. Fried rice. Ay di taklam dre. Kapit na ako ng menu na. Today it is really foggy and it's very danger for our traveling, but somehow we are safe. Chamas extra lady ra. Adum chamin na rese. Chamas what pa? I'm going to join with them, so see you later on. Hello guys, this is the place we stopped and we just finished our lunch which we prepared, and the climate condition you can see now is very foggy and it's very danger to travel, especially speed ride. So where is our vehicle, yo? Yeah, this is our vehicle. Now we are ready to travel again.
We had our lunch and we are about to move.
Yeah. We don't know where we are, but we are ready to start our journey again.
We'll go and pee again.
Okay. It's really foggy. Finally, we are here in Taj Mahal. Actually, we started our journey around 6 a.m. and we reached at 12:24. It's a long journey due to cloudiness and so on. We took a long journey to reach here, and we finally here. We are sighted, and we are going to take our ticket and later on andar chalega. Here is my brother. He's from Bangalore and he too has channel. I will keep his channel in my description below. Please help both of our channel. We want to reach 1 million, more than 1 million. And we want to help someone who is in need through this channel. Please support. Keep supporting our channel. That's all we request from our side. Your like, your subscribe, your help is very much in need. Oh, we are waiting for our friends. Okay, see you guys inside Taj Mahal. Here are our team. They are coming in front of us. This is our team. Ready to rock.
Welcome.
Yeah, we are ready to rock.
Two vloggers from side to side. My left and right.
Yeah. Finally, again.
We are on our way to.
For him, it is
Taj
a second
Mahal.
time for you, right?
Yeah.
Second time,
And
and
here's the first time.
yeah.
Here's the first time.
Except him, the rest are all first time.
It's, what is that? 40 rupees per head. It's not very costly. And it's worth watching. Please come and enjoy.
Join us again.
I'm connecting the free Wi-Fi.
Okay, is it? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's already connected.
Okay, let me also try free Wi-Fi. Never forget to connect this whoever visit this place. Hey, they will check Aadhaar card. Where is our team?
We don't go, we are not on track to come to. This is my first time to teach.
Finally, I'm flying here in Taj Mahal. I am going to touch the wall of Taj Mahal with my right hand. I am ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Không kỹ này gần được.
okay. Now I'm coming. Yeah. Coming, so. Hey, pass me here. Very clean. Not dirty, very clean.
Just emergency exit door.
See. Hello. This is my traditional necklace. I just want to wear my traditional necklace in Taj Mahal, so I am wearing it. Actually, this is made by me. So now I'm going to fly with my traditional necklace here. Come, fly. I'm getting over crazy here.
Nằm đó.
Phật nào nè, cứ đủ này ra. Không nào nè, ấy từ đầu một đi. Hãy giờ vào đây của mày nói giờ bắt đầu không thể nào nữa là. Mày kết thúc. Actually, we plan to get inside, but we thought it is not possible. We are waiting for our friends. They are also somewhere enjoying. Hmm. Quando?